Children, in previous class we learned standard form of pair of linear equation in two variables and different methods to solve the pair of linear equation in two variables. In that, first method is graphical method. In graphical method there are three possibilities. So now all of you open your textbook page number 40. So what are the three possibilities? The first possibility is that two lines will intersect at one point, and second one is the two lines will not intersect, that is they are parallel. Third one is the two lines will be coincident. So means what is the meaning? Both lines are overlap each other. Now coming to first possibility, let us consider the first example. Y is equal to of x, that is 2y is equal to x, that is equal to x minus 2y is equal to 0, and second equation is 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. So now to draw the graph, what are required? Order pairs is required. So x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? Of into 0, 0. So what is the order pair? 0 comma 0. Then x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, then y is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 into 2. 2 to get cancelled, y is equal to 1. Then what is the order pair? 2 comma 1. Next, put x is equal to 2 minus 2 in equation. Then x is equal to minus 2 means what is the y value? Y is equal to 1 by 2 into x, 1 by 2 into minus 2. 2 cancel in minus 2 minus 1, then what is the value? Minus 1. Minus 2 comma minus 1. Put x is equal to minus 4. 2 cancel in minus 4, minus 2 times. Then what is the value? Y value? Minus 2. Put x is equal to 4. 2 cancel in 4 2 times, then what is the order pair? 4 comma 2. What are the order pairs we got for the first equation? 0 comma 0, 2 comma 1, minus 2 comma minus 1, minus 4 comma minus 2, and 4 comma 2. Now coming to second equation, 3x plus 4y is equal to 20, that is 4y is equal to 20 minus 3x. Then y is equal to 20 minus 3x by 4. Now in this equation, put x is equal to 0, then 3x value is 0, that is 20 by 4, that is equal to 5. So what is the y value? 5. Then what is the order pair? 0 comma 5. Now put y is equal to 0, put y is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to 20 minus 3x by 4, that is 20 minus 3x is equal to 0, 20 is equal to 3x, x is equal to how much? 6.6. Now put x is equal to 4. 3 into 4, 12. 20 minus 12, 8. 8 by 4 is equal to 2. So what is the order pair? 4 comma 2. Now put in this equation x is equal to 8. 3 into 8, 24. 20 minus 24, minus 4 by 4, that is equal to minus 1. So what are the order pairs we got for the second equation? 0 comma 5, 6.6 comma 0, 4 comma 2, and 8 comma minus 1. By using these order pairs, we have to draw the graph. For the graph, first you have to draw the horizontal line, that is x-axis, and vertical line you have to draw that is y-axis. So intersecting point of x-axis and y-axis is horizon, that is represented by O. Okay, so first equation, what are the order pairs? 0 comma 0. So this is the point 0 comma 0. Next point is 2 comma 1. Next point is minus 2 comma minus 1. So this is minus 2, this is minus 1. So this is the point minus 2 comma minus 1. Next one is minus 4 comma x-axis minus 4, y-axis minus 2, minus 4 comma minus 2. next point is 4 comma 2. So you have to draw the join this all the points by using scale and pencil. You will get a straight line. What is the straight line? X minus 2y is equal to 0. Now coming to the second equation, order pairs. What are the order pairs for the second equation? 0 comma 5. 0 comma 5 means this is the point 0 comma 5. So why 0 comma 5? This is, so x on y axis x coordinate is 0. So this is the point 0 comma 5. Next point is 6.6 comma 0 means 6.6 comma 6 after fifth line is 6.5 and next small line is 6.6, that is 6.6 comma 0. On x axis y coordinate is always 0. So this is the point 6.6 comma 0. Next third point is 4 comma 2. This is the point 4 comma 2. 8 comma minus 1. So 8 comma minus 1 this is. These all points you have to join by using scale and pencil. You will get a straight line. So this is the equation 3x plus 4y is equal to 20. So where these two lines are intersect, that is 4 comma 2. So this is the example for the lines intersected. The two lines will intersect at one point. So for every equations we have to check, like draw the graph means it is a time taken. So how can we check algebraically? So given equations you have to compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. First equation you have to compare with a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0 and second equation you have to compare with a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So what is the a1 value? Means in first equation x coefficient. What is the x coefficient? 1. b1 y coefficient of first equation, that is minus 2. c1 value is 0. Next a2 value, x coefficient of in second equation x coefficient is 3. So that is a2. Y coefficient is 4, that is b2. c2 value is minus 20. Now calculate the ratio of a1 and a2. a1 by a2, that is equal to 1 by 3. b1 by b2 minus 2 by 4, that is equal to minus 1 by 2. c1 by c2, that is equal to 0 by minus 20, that is equal to 0. So what you understand from these ratios? a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If we get for any two equations given, if you check a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so what you have to say? That they are intersect at a point. So children, take a graph paper, graph book. You have to draw this graph by using these two lines and plot the points carefully and join them and get the graph. Thank you children.